Hi there, 8th graders. It's Mr. Kerr here, and welcome to week 10 as we get going. Kind of a fun week. End of October always is. It's cold and snowy and all that good fun stuff. And also we have a full moon coming up on October 31st, and should be really scary. So remember, we're in Unit 2, Week 10. It's called it's Jackson's World, and we just live in it. We're going to be learning about the President Andrew Jackson. I do want to, before we get going in that, I do want to remind everyone about this. Clicking into your gradebook and making sure, oh, look at that. It's not going to let us at the moment. That's fine. But clicking into your gradebook and making sure that you are keeping up with everything that's in the gradebook, things you've turned in and haven't. And a couple of weeks ago, I posted a video about how to read the gradebook and if something's been turned in or not, if it's been graded, my feedback, all that stuff. The video a couple of weeks ago, I can send it to you too. Or if you have questions, you can come see me in office hours Wednesday, 11 to noon, or anytime, just reach out and we'll see about setting up a time for us to Zoom or chat or text back and forth is fine. But anyways, make sure you're checking your gradebook at least a couple of times a week. When you start out each week, make sure you're going through the weekly folder here. Don't just go straight into the assignments here, because then you miss all the content and readings and videos and all of that. So for Unit 2, Week 10, make sure you come in through here and actually your weekly quiz. I'll move this up here so you'll see it. In fact, I can do that right here, right now. Make sure you do that quiz as a pre-test. Take notes and then use those notes as your study guide as you go through the week. And then I'll move it back here into day 5. And then on Friday, I'll open it up and you can take it again for 100% because you have lots of notes. You know what the questions are and you did all of the work for the week and you should get 100%. Okay? So going through this week, it's a bit of a light week for work, so that's intentionally designed so you can go back through the gradebook, and if you have any other assignments, missing assignments or incomplete assignments or something, you can do those. Okay, so yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Hope to see you on Wednesday during one of our meetings or office hours on Wednesday, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Have a good one. Bye. Oh, extra credit. Be sure and check out the extra credit opportunities. Whew. Almost forgot. Bye.